Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $101.35 over and over again, and I'm going to show you some free methods on how to earn like this and a pay method as well if you want things to be done quicker. So this is going to be pretty much international, so it should work for a lot of you guys, okay? So this is going to be your Clickbank tutorial for beginners for 2020. So let's get started right now. All right, everybody, I am back. I'm here at clickbank.com. So this video is going to show you how to earn $101.35 over and over again using Clickbank basically. So this is going to be a quick Clickbank tutorial for beginners for 2020, and these methods are working right now. So I am going to show you how this works. So Clickbank is actually a affiliate network as well as a digital marketplace, meaning they sell digital products. And as a person who wants to make money from Clickbank, you can as a vendor or as an affiliate. And Clickbank is very beginner friendly. A lot of people can just sign up without having any website, without having any experience. If you are able to sign up, then you can use this. Click the button on the right here, sign up. So just go there. And once you hit that, you will come to this page. It says international, as you can see on the right there. A lot of people can sign up for this. So it starts at Afghanistan and it goes like all over the world. Okay, so there are many countries available for Clickbank, and so this is definitely a worldwide opportunity. And yes, it's of course legitimate. This is a huge affiliate network for people to come earn money. Okay, what you're going to do after you sign up is that you're going to be led into your dashboard, and what you want to do though is actually click marketplace on the top. All right, so it's up there. That is the link that you want to go to. Okay, so once you hit that, you will get to this page right here where you have the categories of all the different products. But I'm going to show you that you just need to press this button right here, the magnifying glass, to find products. And what you want to do to find the most popular and what's selling the best right now is you click here for gravity score. So you want to sort by gravity score because the higher this number is, the better this product is selling right now, because affiliates are making money. So this is based on like the last 2 weeks or the last 3 weeks of data and how much people are earning. So you could go by that. So 600 is actually a really high score that I've seen here. So like for this first product, that's the most popular product right now, is this called Resurge, and it's a health and fitness dietary supplement. Okay, so when you look at one of these offers, what you want to do is click on this link, and it's going to bring you to their sales page. So this is where people will actually see when you send people to go check out this offer. And then they always have like an affiliate page. So you could just take a look at the affiliate page for the products to see what kind of resources they give you to generate your promotions with. It looks like these guys, they want you to sign up to their email list. And so once you sign up, I guess they will give you the resources that you need. But you could earn as much as 75% commission for this product. They sometimes will do that because they have stuff in the back end of their funnel that can earn them even more money. Okay, so for this product, you could earn $101.35 and then you could just go down the list. But as you can see, the first few products are in health and fitness. So if you want to be in that niche, you have a variety to pick from. Anyway, there's other niches that you can look into. Numerology, you could earn $17.04 per sale on average, and this has a pretty high gravity as well. So anything over like 50 is already really good. So these are in their hundreds. So people are definitely making money with these different offers here. And here's a woodworking one. Okay, this one's very popular as well. You're making average of $54 per sale here, and it's got over 200 gravity scores. So This one has been on here forever, like the woodworking one too. So this one's a good one to promote since it's still just under 200 gravity. So you get the gist, okay? Once you decide on a product that you want to promote, you're going to click the promote button. When you get the promote button, you're going to get this screen right here where you are going to generate your affiliate link. They call it hot links, and so don't be confused. They're just affiliate links. What you can do now, you could have additional tracking if you want. So if you are, let's say, advertising or promoting this on different platforms, so you might want to generate one link for, Instagram. You could just do that, or another one for YouTube and stuff like that. So you could generate as many links as you want. And once you have that information, you just click this generate hot links button and you'll get this long, ugly link. So you could copy this long, ugly link and use bit.ly or something like that to shorten it and to make it easier for people to get to that link. So once you have your hot link, then you can actually go and promote. So how do you promote these products? Well, first you need to decide where you're going to promote. There are literally so many ways that you can promote. And one of the ways is definitely the social media platforms. So I'm not going to go through all of the social media platforms because I'm going to go through the ones that are going to be the most effective methods today. And I'm going to show you a pay method that can make this quicker for you. So the first method that is free is building social media presence yourself, meaning that you could go on places like Instagram and build yourself a page in fitness like this lady here. Okay, she's got like over 250,000 followers here and she's getting tons of likes and engagement on her posts. So of course this takes time to build, but the thing is about Instagram is that you don't even have to have your own content, okay, on there. You could repost other people's content, give them credit, and that's it, okay? I literally have built my own like Disney niche account based on that myself. So this is my business one. I also have a Disney account here, my Mickey Life, and it has over 100,000 followers. And none of this, I think maybe I have like 2 images on this entire account. That is my photos. But everything else, guys, if you look at all the different posts in here, this is the tag of the person who made this image, okay? So you can build Instagram accounts without using any of your own content. Another way is one of the best platforms right now is this TikTok, okay? You could get so much organic traffic right now from TikTok. Is crazy. And they're very flexible on your niche. So I've really concentrated on making money online, but then I also have like stuff that are trending. Like I got over 1 million views for this one. I mean, come on guys. There is so much traffic to be had on TikTok. So look at this guy. This guy is about fitness. Okay, so you could actually just ask him to help you out instead, okay? But how you can do that is by actually just asking him if he would do shoutouts for you. But instead of contacting them directly, you could also buy shoutouts from a place like shoutcart.com. So you need to be logged in to browse the influencers, okay? So these are all the different types of accounts and platforms that you can buy some shoutouts for. And before you actually do buy any shoutouts, you would really want to check out their accounts first to make sure that they have the high engagement that you want. You want to see views, you want to see comments, you want to see shares, you want to see all that engagement on people's posts before you actually go and buy a shout out from their account. And so the last method that I feel it's going to be best for you guys is actually driving your own traffic with your own affiliate website. At this place right here, Wealthy Affiliate, this is a online training platform that allows you to build an affiliate website, guys. And they teach you step by step exactly how to build an affiliate website. And you can do that using this training that I've used myself in 2016. And that's how I've actually built my website, workanywherenow.com, using this training. And I actually became a super affiliate using the training in 2018. So you can use this training here to build your affiliate website based on the products that you want to promote. So you don't even have to just promote one product, okay? When you have a website, you can promote as many products as you want. And what's great about that is that when you have your own website, you just work at your own thing. You just work at one thing and people come to you because this training, they're going to teach you how to have your website attract its own visitors, guys, okay? So you don't have to go and contact people. You don't have to go and find people. You don't have to see who has the highest engagement. You can just build your own online asset like the website, which will get ranked on search engines. Search engines, guys, are the best traffic that you can get because people are looking for your information, okay? So when people go on Clickbank and want to buy one of these products, they usually will go online to search for reviews. So if someone were to buy this battery conditioning thing, they would go and find a review on that topic, right? So on your website, you can be doing a review on this product, and all you gotta do is basically do your own research. So what this means is that when you have an affiliate website, your goal is to talk about things that people are searching for. And if you can meet their needs and answer the questions that they're searching for, then that's how you can make a commission. And why a website will be the best is because when you are getting ranked and stuff like that on the search engines, you get thousands and thousands of visitors coming to your site automatically over and over again. You could be earning from all those people visiting your post, okay? So if you have a post reviewing, let's say the top product here, it's called research, and you did a review called research review. Is it worth your money? And then you talk about what the research product is about. Basically, you're doing research for other people. And then you basically just summarize what the product is about, what you think about it. And if you want to say, hey, if you want to check it out, go buy it here and link to your Clickbank affiliate link there, okay? And that's how you can earn commissions when they click your affiliate link on your website and go buy the product. But anyway, all that is taught inside the step-by-step training, and to get yourself signed up, and you do get to start for free because you don't need any credit cards to sign up, but you do need to realize that having a free account is not going to get you much results because you have very limited access on the platform. So a premium membership will open up the whole platform, and if you sign up with me with workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, you will get my bonuses as well as me as your free coach on the platform, okay? So I will actually send you all my bonuses on your profile when you sign up for free, and then you can decide, check out the training, and then you can start learning on that first level, which is 10 lessons you get free, and actually start building your website right away. You can actually have a free site with your free account. So you can start building right away, but you won't actually build out your entire site yet until you have all the information which you need to upgrade to premium for, okay? So I hope you would check out Wealthy Affiliate and signing up with me, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. And I hope I see you on the platform soon, okay? So that is how you can promote Clickbank, and I hope this was really helpful for you guys. And using affiliate marketing as a business model is one of my favorite ways to earn. I do it all the time. This is something that I've been doing since 2016, and on my profile on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see my entire progress on there, okay? And all my income proof is on there as well. So I hope to see you on there. And again, use my link so I can help you in your journey while you are on there. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more ways to make money online and more about affiliate marketing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come out with videos every single week, but my schedule changes sometimes, so get notified, okay? So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.